Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to my YouTube channel, Joanne's Corner. Today in our video, I was wanting to show you how to hold your yarn when you crochet. There's a little trick here. You have to wrap it around your fingers in order to let the yarn move through your fingers as you're crocheting. Now this is how my mommy showed me how to do it when I was about 8 years old, and I've done it this way my whole life. Just put your hand like it's facing you, wrap the yarn around your pinky, and then on the underside of your hand, and then on the upper side of your pointer finger, wrap it around there, and then you can hold it like that. Now if you were crocheting like this, let me go ahead and make my slip knot. You wrap like this around the pinky and then over the pointer finger, and you want to hold your yarn down here by your needle with I hold mine with my first and third finger. And if you're too far away, if you feel like it's too loose, just do it again. Wrap it around that pinky and around the top of your pointer finger, and then you're right there. You're right there holding it, and that way when you start to crochet, you can just let the yarn flow right through your fingers as you crochet. Okay? And you can always loosen the yarn if it gets too tight or whatever, and then just keep moving on. But I hope this video was informative and helpful. If it was, please like my video and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see any future videos. And thank you so much. We'll see you soon.